Hi, thank you so much for scanning me. You are reading the Universum Quarterly. Again, we'll try to inspire you and give you some inspiration for your work of field and employer branding. Social media is one of the hot topics, of course, involving all aspects of recruiting and loyalty and sort of how our brand and our company is perceived and can be changed. As I see it, it's two areas which I find highly exciting. One of course is to build talent pools early on, to build relationships, start building both awareness and preference for your company through social media. Secondly, now we have a fantastic vehicle to keep the relationship going with colleagues who left us or different stakeholders. We can communicate, we can use them for interaction, for recruitment, for referral sales, and maybe also for boomeranger, regretted employees who left us who want to come back because we inform them and keep them informed about what's going on in the company. So please enjoy Universum Quarterly and thank you again for reading.